One of the features in ASAP 2010 is the biaxial coding command, or BIC, or as we call it, BIC. So here we have a BIC command simulating topaz material, a biaxial material, looking straight down the fastest axis. And we see a complete null in the center, which is on axis. And then as we go to higher angles, we see some structure in places where light is getting through the polarizer-analyzer pair. We want to look at another case in which we look down one of the two optical axes to which biaxial refers. So now we have a view down one of the two optical axes, and you see that we're completely nulled down the optical axis because there is effectively no retardance at any thickness. And again, we have structure for higher angles, but always nulled when we're looking straight down that optical axis. So these are two simple use cases of the BIC, or birefringent coding command, and this is one of the great new features of polarization analysis in ASAP 2010.